Chuck 55, and today we're here to look at the new car build. The purpose of the new car is the old car was basically had been raced for 3 years solid. It been through several no prep races. Of course, that's hard on all cars. But the chassis, the body, everything was getting cracks, had battle wounds from top to bottom, and basically it was just wore out. It still looked good, but we decided to upgrade the car. We've been working on it pretty extensively, trying to come up with changes and better ideas, and basically different modifications to do the new car that we didn't have on our old one. We've done this, we're trying to keep the car looking as original as we can, for the reason that it is a real street car. This car was actually delivering groceries one day in its life. I mean, kids were riding in the back seat of this car at one time in its lifetime. So this is it's an original car. I mean, you can't get any more original than this. We've took the body off the frame, lightened it up in places that we can. We actually kept the original door hinges of the car. The factory door hinges of the 55, they do two different motions. I mean, when you open the door, it actually moves it away from the body as well as swinging it out. So we had to come up with the geometry to change that heavy. I mean, these door hinges, the internals of door hinges, 2.5 pounds a piece, and all together you got top and bottom. So I mean, you're looking at 10 pounds of weight. Everywhere we can save weight, we try to modify the original equipment to benefit us in weight savings. So yeah, we kept the structure of the original hinge. We go in, we take some chromoly tubing, and we follow the geometry of the original hinge and modify it. So stuff like that. I mean, the car is all steel. From the A pillars, the B pillars, the striker is real. We're using factory door handles. The door handles actually work. It goes to a factory striker. The door seals, everything's steel in this car. I mean, there is no fiberglass anywhere on the body of the car. Other than the front end, but like I said, it's everywhere we could save weight and modify the existing pieces. We basically changed to try to conserve weight. The car has it's got the original tail lights in it. It's got I'm putting brake lights, tail lights in it. Even reverse lights are going to work in this thing. The fuel door, it's I guess it's what you call a multi-purpose. It's a look. I guess we'd call this a power charge port for the car. I mean, it's new technology and old stuff. I mean, we open the fuel door, plug in our battery charger, let it charge. So it's kind of a cool little feature that we put there on the car. The front grille, the headlights, that's all original chrome. I mean, that stuff is heavy, but it looks good. I mean, the hood emblem, everything from the headlight rings to the lights, it all works. We even went as far as the doors. We're going to have a door switch in it so that the dome light comes on. As they're buckling me up, I open the door at night, so it's kind of hard to see in there. Well, guess what? We have a dome light now. So you open the door, the dome light comes on. I mean, anything we could do, little features that we could add just to make it, cool and something different. We've basically took ideas off of the original car, off of the little sis car that we previously raced, and try to combine them and make one new car. We've had several good ideas. The guys have been thrashing on this car non-stop for several weeks just to try to get this thing race ready, and ready to roll out to New Hampshire. We're going to the New England Dragway this coming week. If you're in the area, please come by. We would like you to new car, say hey, and put on a good show.
When you start, don't turn the ignition off until you're ready to shut it off. Because I'm connected wireless.
Go down. Is it back tires off the ground?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, very much.
You're 4 inches off.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Ready?
Yep. That's all. Are you excited?
Oh yeah. That's bad son of a bitch right there.
How's it sound?
Sounds good. I guess the idle back is.
What'd you think?
I think it sounds good. Cackles. You get the idle, Fred?
Yeah, it goes.
Yeah.
It's off
Yeah.
the back.